Your job, my job, that high-paying IT job, that secure BPO job. 9 out of 10 Indian jobs are facing a massive change by 2030. Many will not exist at all. ये बहुत important है. This is not a drill. Are you prepared or will you be left behind? The next 3 minutes are your survival guide. चलो देखते हैं. The revolution is already here. You see it. आपको पता है. It's powered by one thing, artificial intelligence. बिल्कुल. For decades, India became the world's IT and BPO backbone. We were proud, but this is the harsh truth. Those jobs built on process and repetition are the first to be automated. AI can now write clean code. AI can handle 10,000 customer service calls at once. AI can analyze financial reports in seconds, 8 them fast. The problem is simple. The old skills are losing value. That engineering degree, that MBA, अब काफी नहीं है. The ground is shifting under our feet. From Wipro to Infosys, from TCS to small startups, everyone is facing this. So who is in the red zone? Think about it. Routine IT support, gone. Basic data entry, khatam. QA testing, AI does it faster. But it's bigger, so no. Graphic designers, Midjourney is already here. Content writers, ChatGPT writes blogs in 30 seconds. Even entry-level finance jobs analyzing spreadsheets, AI is a master. ये सच्चाई है. If your job is a predictable, repeatable process, and AI is learning it right now. This isn't just a Bangalore, Pune or Gurgaon problem. This is an all-India crisis. लेकिन, but परेशान मत हो. This is not the end, it's a filter. It is the single biggest opportunity of our generation. The 2030s will not be man versus machine. It will be human with AI versus human without AI. Guess who wins? आप समझ गए. The game is changing. Stop seeing AI as your replacement. Start seeing it as your intern, your co-pilot, your super assistant. ये नया तरीका है. तो क्या करना है? How do you become the 10% that thrives? I'm giving you a 4-step battle plan. आपके लिए. First, become AI literate. I'm not asking you to build AI. I'm asking you to use AI. Use करना है. Master prompt engineering. Learn how to talk to these tools. Use ChatGPT to draft emails 10x faster. Use GitHub Copilot to check your code. Use AI tools to analyze data. This is the new Microsoft Office. It is non-negotiable. समझे? Second, build human-centric skills. What can AI not do? True creativity, emotional intelligence, strategic leadership, complex problem solving, critical thinking. These soft skills are now the new hard skills. ये critical हैं. AI can follow instructions but it cannot set the vision. You must be the vision setter. You must be the leader. Third, specialize. Don't be a generalist. सीधी बात है. General easy tasks are the first to be automated. Specialized niche tasks are hard for AI. Become the best at one complex thing. Become a specialist in AI-powered cybersecurity, or a specialist in data storytelling, or an expert in AI regulation and ethics. Deep work. That is your shield. Fourth, upskill. Constantly. हमेशा सीखते रहो. The concept of I am done learning is dead. Your college degree is already outdated. Spend 5 hours every week learning new tools. Learn about new AI models. Read, take online courses. Be the person in your team who knows the new tools first. The year 2030 isn't a threat, it's a challenge. 90% of jobs will change. This is true. But new jobs are being born every day. AI ethicists, prompt engineers, data storytellers, AI auditors. These roles didn't exist 5 years ago. India needs millions of people to build, manage and regulate this new technology. आप कर सकते हैं. For you, the smart Indian professional, this is the single biggest opportunity of our generation. Don't be replaced by AI. Be the one who uses AI to get ahead. The future is here. Be ready for it. For more high-value secrets to win in this new India, subscribe to GEMS now.